Hello friends, my name is Vijay. This is my next video. This video is about Amazon's course. This course is about how to become a seller on Amazon. This is a main course. It is very useful for each and every one of you has become a good seller in Amazon. Okay, this course is very useful. Okay, let's enter into the topic. Okay, before enter into the topic, I want to tell one thing. Before the 6 months back, I come to this UAE for getting searching for a good job, but I didn't get any job on that time. I get a good knowledge in this Amazon's course. I learned this course for 1 month and I teach the students there. I get a good experience and good knowledge in this. So I think that my knowledge is not stopped with this single circle. So I want to explore my knowledge to each and every one of you learn this course. So that's why I started this YouTube channel and I teach the students in this YouTube channel. It gets good knowledge for me and other people's while watching this video. Okay, this course is about how to become a seller on Amazon. This course is learned by each and every one of you. It's not having any age limit. It's teaching by students and then learned by homemakers and then working persons also learn this course. Okay, first we enter into the topic. We want to create an seller account. Seller account means you know all Amazon. Amazon has buyer account. We want to create one seller account. That account we need Emirate ID and bank statement. Emirate ID front and back photo and then bank statement PDF. We want to upload that PDF while creating an account. That is first step. And second step is we want to hunt the product in Amazon's buyer account. You open the Amazon.ae and buyer account and then we want to search the good product. If you get the good product, it will good sales in market, you get a good profit. And then we want to list that product to show to the customer. That is the main course of this. This Amazon's course has two parts. One is what to sell and where to buy. What to sell part is this creating an account and creating a listing. And in next videos we learn many things about this Amazon's course, Amazon's lectures, and everyone became a good seller in Amazon. If you like this video, you click the like button, and we want to share this video. You share to your friends and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to watch more videos. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video.